I believe that the original religion was nature. Nature is waiting for you, just calling you right now. Shamanism had existed around the world with all different kinds of indigenous people and their relationship with nature, with spirit, with inanimate objects. We're all in this together. Your spirit guides are waiting. Your ancestors, they're right there, waiting to hear from you. You just have to reach out. So many ways to connect with nature and beauty and gratitude and finding our soul family right in front of us. Try to find something to be grateful for each day, even if it's just that first cup of coffee. Just try to feel that frequency in your body of gratitude. And if you struggle, if you go out in nature, just reach for the light. We're all walking each other home. We're all figuring it out. We're all miracles. There will come a day where you will be able to hold this in your body. That's why we're cleaning things up. That's why we're getting to know who we are. It's why we're drinking water. It's why we're saying we're grateful. It's why we're connecting. Connect with Mother Nature. She is right there, and she already knows you're a miracle.